Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to add Crosshair in Koorui monitor. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video. And watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. You will find the Crosshair in the game mode option of your Koorui monitor. So go to the game mode, then you will see the Crosshair option. When you select Crosshair, then you will be able to choose the Crosshair. So choose the Crosshair as per your needs. But if you cannot find Crosshair option in your Koorui monitor, then here you will see people provide their opinion and solution regarding this. For that, unplug the power so it can reset, then plug it back in. Did you change input modes or something? Maybe Koorui monitor have poor quality firmware where entire section disappear from the OSD for some reasons. So if you cannot find crosshair option in your Koorui monitor, so you will need to unplug your monitor and plug it back in after some time. Maybe this will solve the issue and you will find the crosshair option in your Koorui monitor. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.